how to use night mode on GoPro Hero 13, black and older GoPros. The first step is to open up your camera presets. So turn on your GoPro and swipe through the shooting presets to find night photo or night mode. The common modes you would find would be night mode, night lapse, star trails, and light painting. So go ahead and select night photo. Now, once you have, click on use night photo. The night photo mode uses long exposure to capture brighter photos in dark environments. So it's best for city lights, landscapes, and night scenes. Now, you could also try the night lapse mode. The night lapse captures moving lights and changings in the night scenes over time. This is great for traffic lights, clouds, and stars. You could also try the star trail option, which newer GoPros like the Hero 13 that include creative night effects like star trails and light painting. All right, so moving on from there, we have the option to adjust your exposure settings. So use Pro Tune or manual settings to control your ISO and shutter speed for clear night shots. The lower your ISO for better grain and also longer shutter for brighter images. So your shutter should stay on for longer. And then simply keep the camera stable. Night mode works best when the GoPro stays completely still. So use a tripod, have a flat surface, and a proper mount. And then once you're done, you could just simply add extra lighting if needed. Small LED lights can help improve detail and reduce noise in dark scenes. All right.